What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick video, how to re-caulk your bathtub. Very simple. You're going to need a shop vac. You're going to need one of these Husky multi-tools, right? It works great. It's got the sharp blade. You're going to go in the corner. You're going to grab your old caulk and you just pull it out and it comes out with ease. If you have one of these 15-in-1s, these will work too. Just go nice and easy, scraping on both angles, all right? Grab yourself one of these brushes, definitely worth it to clean it all out before you do caulk. It's got to be extremely clean and dry. And grab yourself one of these here, the HDX. You can clean the bottom of the tub and always have a shop vac to pick up all the crap while you're working, all right? Once you're done cleaning all the cracks, and you take your time to get it all out, you want to dry it very well. Then you want to put your painter's tape in. You can see how I lined it. All right, you're going to even spacing, even gap all the way around. I'm going to go up the corners here because we had some cracks in the corners. If not, just go around the base of your tub. What we're going to do is grab the caulk. We're going to just put it right in between that space. You're going to run your finger right across it. Very simple. Then you're going to pull the tape off. Starting from this side, pull it up and off. As soon as the caulk is done, you let it sit 24 to 48 hours, you should be good to go, all right? Every item you see here, all these 4 items, including the shop vac, I'm gonna put links in the description below. I'll even put the painter's tape and the caulk I'm using and the caulk gun. So let me get to it and I'll show you the finished product. All right, before you do your caulking, it's the last thing you're gonna do on a job. You wanna make sure everything is clean, vacuumed, and dried. I'm going to use my HDX caulk gun. If you're looking for one, it's a decent one. It's not the most expensive, but it isn't a cheap one. It's a good one. And we're going to go with Tub and Tile GE silicone. Okay, it's waterproof, obviously, same day, water ready, shrink and crack proof, lifetime guarantee, kitchen and bath products, Tub and Tile. You want to make sure you get the right caulk for the job. Okay, let me zoom in and I'll show you. If I could zoom in, you can see how it works. Very easy. Anyone can do it. Don't worry about putting too much or too little because you're going to run your finger through it and all the excess is going to end up on the tape. So all you want to do is you want to start on this side and get yourself a bead going. See it? Take your time. Make sure it goes into the cracks. All right. Get to the corner, put a little bit extra. All right. I'll show you. Basically just putting a bead in there. Doesn't have to be perfect. It could be a little messy like that. We're going to go all the way around it. And then I'm going to show you, just rub your finger through it. And when you pull the tape off, everything's going to be perfect. And you can see I went up the sides, went around it. Now what I like to do is, see this customer had a little crack in the wall. I'm going to fill that in where the tile and the sheetrock got separated. That's a little added extra so it looks good. All right. You want to tape it off. And you just want to run your caulk through here. And when I run my finger, it'll go right into that space. Put a little extra. All right. And I like to go the front side of the tub too. Sometimes the front and the floor don't need it, but I like to do the floor to complete it. All right, so it looks nice and clean when it's finished. Just run it across. Very simple. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to meet at the top. Okay? Just wet the end of your finger, grab the corner, and just come across like this. And you see that? See what's on my finger? Not too much. And you want to wipe it off. When you're finished, we're going to pull this tape off and you're going to see how nice it looks. All right, so after pulling the tape, you want to let it sit for 24 to 48 hours. And while you're at it, throw a new curtain up there, throw a new plastic liner, you know, the whatever. But it came out nice. Nice and straight. Looks nice and clean, even on the floor. Let's see if we can pull that back. They put these down. It looks nice and clean. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Yes, Sonny.